Hello guys, this is a question from the chapter force of the ICSE board class 10 and the question number is 3. The question says a wheel of diameter 2 meter is shown in figure 1.28 with axle at O. A force F of 2 Newton is applied at B in direction shown in the figure. Calculate the moment of force about first the center O and second at A. I think you'd have understand the question. This is the circle, force is applied at B and the diameter of the circle is given, it is 2 meter. So first question is we have to find the moment of force at O. We know the moment of force is calculated by F into D, the distance. So it will be F, that is 2n, and distance is at O, so it will be, the distance will be OB and it will be 2n into 1 and that is 2 Newton. It is clockwise. Again, moment at A. Moment at A will be, the formula will be applied for the same, it is F into D and F is 2n and D is the diameter, that is AB and it is 2n into 2 meter, so it will be 4n meter and it is at O. It is 4n meter. It will also be clockwise. So, look.